In today's video, I'll show you how to use video stabilization on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Now, video stabilization allows you to take a video, and even if there's too much movement in that video will not show those particular movements, but it will look steady as ever. So to do that, simply launch the camera app, and in the camera viewfinder, you want to swipe left to enter video mode, and then you want to tap on this arrow at the top middle right there, and then swipe through the options until you get to video steady. So this is video stabilization mode. So tap on that option to reveal the options that are there, and if it's already on, to turn it off, simply select off, and video stabilization is going to be turned off. Or if you want to turn it on, simply tap on that option and select either video steady, or you can select ultra steady for even more stabilization to your video. And as you can see at the top there, it confirms that you're in video stabilization mode, and that particular icon at the top here confirms that you're in video stabilization mode. Now, whenever you're recording video, let me start recording a video, and then there's too much movement or it's not clear to see what's happening in that video. With video stabilization mode on, that particular video will not show that much movement in your video, and your video is going to be steady as ever, just like that. That's basically how to use video stabilization mode, also called video steady, on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Take care and God bless.